The Dow is up after a sell-off on Wall Street. President Trump threatened more tariffs yesterday, dragging the S&P 500 into correction territory. And now, even with a slight boost, Wall Street stays on track for weekly losses. The Dow heading for its worst week in 2 years. CBS News MoneyWatch correspondent Kelly O'Grady, she's joining us once again. And Kelly, thanks for joining us. Good to see you. Tell us about this new data. How are Americans doing with all of this uncertainty? It's like a back and forth, and really it's every day now at this point.
It is. We could have this conversation, Mugo, a few hours from now, and things might be different. That's how quickly things are changing. So we got new data today. It is the Consumer Sentiment Survey from the University of Michigan, and it basically measures how consumers are feeling about the economy right now, where the economy is going, where inflation is going, and their own personal finances. And anything that's below a reading of 100 is considered negative in terms of growth. And we actually got a reading around 57 today. So that is pretty negative. People aren't feeling good. It's been going down the past couple of months. And this really also dovetails with what we're hearing from CEOs in the retail space, that consumers are spending less. They're seeing a weakening demand from the consumer. So yes, the economic data that we actually got this week when it comes to inflation was good. It's moving in the right direction, but that's not how the consumer is feeling because they are seeing so much of this back and forth, Mugo.
And let's talk about investors here, because as they digest this new data, what's happening in the markets right now?
So you would have expected this data to spur more sell-off, but I actually think you're getting a bump from the fact that it looks like we aren't going to have a government shutdown. At least it's trending in that direction right now, based on Senator Schumer's comments. So that is sort of giving things a boost. That being said, you zoom out, we are on pace across the indexes for one of our worst weeks in quite some time. And that's really about this uncertainty. Investors don't know where to put their money when things are changing so rapidly, when you are seeing consumer spending slowing, when you are seeing businesses struggle to make decisions. Do they invest? Do they hire more people? Do they lay off? Do they change suppliers based on the country if they're going to have a tariff that they're dealing with? So a lot of uncertainty right now, and I think we're really just looking for clarity and all of this back and forth to slow down at some point in the future, hopefully.
Which then brings us to the Federal Reserve, right? Because they're in a difficult spot. Americans are feeling uneasy, and then you've got the tariffs threatening to push prices even higher. So what does all of this mean for the Fed's rate decision that's up next week, really?
So this is a tough spot for them because they have two mandates: to keep inflation under control and trending towards that 2% target, but also ensure that the labor market stays healthy and that we do have a growing economy. And so, yes, as I said, we got good inflation data this week. This would be great news for the Fed because they have struggled in the past few months with inflation ticking back up. But we are having this wild card of tariffs. How over the next few months is that going to trickle down to prices? Because we can't really nail down what that long-term tariff policy is going to be at this point. So if they don't cut rates, you could see a world where, as I mentioned, consumer sentiment is going down, people are spending less, growth slows. But if you do cut rates too soon, you could see a world where tariffs cause inflation and they're sort of right back where they started. Next week specifically, we are expecting them to hold rates steady. And again, it's just more wait and see, just like investors, consumers, and businesses, Mugo.
Yeah, everything so far as of late is wait and see. Wow. CBS News MoneyWatch correspondent Kelly O'Grady, thank you so much for joining us. Have a great weekend.